What's going on, everybody? Welcome to this episode of Inside Home Built Workshop. So, it hasn't been weeks and weeks since we talked last. I think it's only been 2, so a little better, right? I want to apologize to you guys. So, I didn't get notifications from the last video that I posted where I was talking about kind of the tagline thing that I want to do at the end of the videos. I missed a bunch of comments. I was just looking on at some of the comments on there, and I didn't realize they were on there. I don't know why I didn't get the notification. So if you are one of the several people that left comments, I'm sorry I did not get back to you. I don't know what was going on. I did think it was kind of strange that I didn't get any notifications, but I guess it's kind of bad on me. I didn't even go in to look, but usually I rely on those notifications. I didn't get them. I don't know why. I'm sorry. But as far as that tagline goes that I talked about in the last video, I am going to try a couple videos with the tagline thing that I was talking about. But I believe I agree, and I do like the, thanks for watching, see you next time thing. It just feels better. Feels better to me. I think I'm going to stick with it. So you will see a couple videos that will have that in there. Work in progress, right? We're always changing stuff, doing different things, and that's how we learn and grow, right? Anyways, the last couple of videos, let's see, we had what did we have? We had the outtakes and the shaker shelf. So, what do you guys think? Did you guys see both of them? I'm pretty happy with the shaker shelf. It's getting good feedback on that. I'm happy to see how that's going. I'm really happy also with the way that thing turned out. If you didn't see it, I'm going to put links down below to both of these videos, so if you haven't seen them, you can head down there, click the link, check them out. I've always been a fan of the shaker style. Like I mentioned in that video, it's just something that I like. I like the simple design, simple look, and they're functional. They're simple, functional, and I like them myself. I've been doing some research on some other shaker inspired things that I might try to do some projects on. So let me know what you think. Do you like shaker style? Yes? No? Leave a comment. So the other video that came out was the outtake video. Man, I enjoy putting those together. They're so fun, and I want your guys' feedback, what you think of those. They don't get a lot of views, and that's understandable, and I'm okay with that. Not everybody wants to see that sort of content, and since I decided to move the outtakes to their own video, I think that was a bad decision on my part, because it is impacting the overall channel a little bit. It's just how their algorithm and all that stuff works. So right now I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with the outtakes. I will continue to make those videos. I just can't guarantee I'm going to be posting them as a regular video. I may move them to another area or do something with that there. So I'm not sure. Give me your guys' feedback. Let me know what you think. I kind of know what I think I'm going to do with them, but I wanted to throw it out there to you guys. Just give me your feedback. Let me know what you think. Do you watch them? Do you not care? Like I say, I'm okay. If it's not your thing, you can tell me. If you like to see them, tell me. It's okay. I know some people like them, some people don't. Some people want to see projects. Some people could care less. But let me know what you think. Hey, you know what? Look at this. I don't have a beanie. It's not super warm, but I don't have a beanie right now. I could. It's right at that temperature where my head is kind of cold, but it's not completely cold. The troubles of not having any hair, right? I gotta get my coffee. Hang on. Ah, much better. What am I working on right now? Well, funny you asked that question. I'm working on a guitar. It's not a project video, but I'm working on, I don't know if you've seen it, you may have seen me post it on social media, Instagram, Facebook, the Frozen Burst guitar. Working on that guy. Just started on the finish yesterday, and got a couple coats on that. I did the bevel around the top. I've been liking the bevel on there lately, so I'm kind of been doing that more. Beveled it this morning, and I'm gonna keep applying some finish throughout the day today on that and the neck. Also working on refinishing a bench that I made last year, putting a fresh coat of finish on that guy, and probably be selling that guy locally. I'm just trying to clean some things out, and just make things a little cleaner, more simpler. I don't need so many things, right? I mean, how many benches do you need sitting in your yard? You can only sit on one. I've got 3 or something like that. So just trying to get rid of some things. I'll just, you know, been having good luck posting stuff on Facebook Marketplace, and I can't even talk. Marketplace and eBay and all that sort of stuff, just to clean things out. We acquire so many things, you know, and I just I'm trying to be more simplify stuff. But I don't know. It's all right, you know, and if you can make a couple of bucks here and there, that's always good too. I'm not focusing all of my time and energy on that sort of thing, but it is something I'm doing right now. I spent most of the weekend doing editing and uploading, and you know, I'm just trying to get ahead on some project videos. Had some plans coming up over the summer. We're planning to visit some family, and right now I'm just trying to keep my nose down, get some stuff done, and get ahead on things. My goal when I started doing this at the beginning of the year was to not miss a week of project videos for 1 year, at least. Do, you know, 52 projects, new projects throughout the year. And so far, I haven't missed any weeks yet of some kind of new video. That does include the outtakes and all that stuff. But 52 videos, 1 a week, and that's my goal. So I want to get ahead on projects so that there's a seamless bit of videos, and you know, it really doesn't affect anything. That's my goal. So I've just been trying to work. I've still got time, but I don't want to wait to the last minute and then try to scramble and get a bunch of videos done. I'm also trying to look at options to be able to work on those things while we are traveling, so that if I have to work while we're on the road, that's cool. I'm trying to find a laptop though right now. So anybody have a laptop you're selling? Because I'm looking for one, something decent. You know, I missed a couple really good deals online, used ones, local, you know, like marketplace ones. I missed out. I waited too long and they sold, and it was a killer deal. I missed it. My fault. So I'm still looking around. But yeah, hey, if you guys have one you want to sell, I'm looking for something like an i5 or an i7 processor kind of deal. Let me know. Shoot me an email, homebuiltshop@gmail.com. Don't leave it down below if you're going to talk about stuff like that. But yeah, shoot me a message. That'd be kind of cool. I'd be down. We'll make the transaction. I'm not sure what else really to chat about right now. Everything's going pretty good here, I'd say, really. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. What are you guys up to? How's your weather in your parts? Here, I don't know. We had snow last week. It's ridiculous. It was May something. We had snow, 2nd or 6th or something. Now we're in a nice string of weather. I don't know if that means spring's here. I don't dare say it. I've said it so many times. And then it gets cold and snowy again, so I don't know. But I think we were in the 70s yesterday, and we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Oh, another thing I want to throw out there. I want to do a weekly live video, probably on Facebook. Might do it on YouTube. I don't know. I probably will experiment with both. A couple weeks ago, I just came out here to the shop, hit live on Facebook, and it was awesome. It was so fun. It was nothing planned. It was only about 20 minutes long, and had several people bop in there. So, man, that was so cool. I want to do more of that. My thought right now, and this is kind of what I'm leaning towards, is to do Mondays at about 9 o'clock Mountain Time. So 11 Eastern and 8 o'clock, Pacific, whatever it is if you're in another part of the world. That's what I'm thinking. What do you guys think of that time? I know not everybody's going to be able to tune in because you're going to be at work and all that sort of thing, but I want to pick a time, try that a couple of weeks, and if we need to adjust that, we will. It just sounds fun. I had such a good time chatting with everybody when I did that a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and I want to continue that. So tentatively right now, I'm going to plan for Mondays at 9 o'clock starting next week. I'm going to shoot for it. You guys hold me to it. What is that date? Not camera. I just hit the camera button. I want to take camera. Calendar, that's what I want. I don't even know how to work this thing. What's up with my calendar? Why has it got so much crud on there? What's today? 14th. So that would be the 20th. So right now, I'm going to shoot for Monday, May the 20th, 9 a.m. Central, not 9 a.m. Mountain Time, Facebook Live. You put it on your calendar because we're doing it. If you can join, awesome. If you can't, I totally understand. It's during the day. But let's try that out and see what happens. It'll be fun. So guys, I've rambled enough. Let's wrap this up. I got to get a couple things done before I got to head off. I got some running around and appointments and stuff to do this morning, and so I can get back here and get some more work done, get some more editing, some uploading, and so I can get started on some new projects. I have no projects, woodworking or any sort of projects in the works right now. I do have a couple other videos that I want to film, some more non-woodworking related. Oh, I want to throw that out there really quick. See how I just go into different thoughts? When I originally started this channel, I didn't plan on doing just woodworking. I wanted to do other things, you know, some automotive and maybe some small engine, and, you know, just other project videos. I wanted it to be how-to videos, not just woodworking how-to videos. So just so you guys kind of understand where some of these other videos may come from, I'm trying to get back to, not back to my roots, but back to what my original vision was, and that was just providing general how-to videos of different categories. If you've followed the channel for a while, you'll know that I have a few automotives kind of and some around the house videos on there, but I want to try to bring some more of that stuff back to the channel. Now that doesn't mean it's going to become the car repair channel. That's not it. But, you know, just doing simple tasks that you may do on your vehicle. I want to do that sort of thing, or different things that may help you out. Definitely not an auto repair channel or anything like that. There's plenty of those already there. And that's not my wheelhouse, but doing some small repairs around the house, different things to your vehicle. I'm going to start putting some of that stuff back in here. So I do have some videos in the works based around that. Just so you guys know kind of where I'm coming from when I post something that is a little bit off of the woodworking topic. That's why, because that's what I wanted to do all along, overall how-to videos. So just trying to stay with my original plan. Back to the roots. No. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up. I gotta leave here shortly for an appointment. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.